Today, we're going to take you through the exciting journey of one of India's most promising fintech companies, BharatPe. From its humble beginnings to becoming one of the fastest-growing players in the digital payment sector, BharatPe has had an incredible story. So, let's dive in.
To understand BharatPe's success story, we first need to go back to 2018. BharatPe was founded by Ashnir Grover and Shashwat Nakrani with a simple yet powerful idea to help small businesses in India access digital payments and financial services.
Exactly. Back in 2018, India's digital payments market was booming. We had apps like Paytm and PhonePe leading the charge. But here's the catch. While these platforms were great for urban areas, small businesses, especially those in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities, were still heavily reliant on cash.
Right. Ashnir and Shashwat saw this gap. Small merchants were missing out on the digital payments revolution, and they wanted to change that. Their goal was simple: create a solution that would make digital payments more accessible, affordable, and easy to use, specifically for these small businesses. Let's talk a bit about the founders. Ashnir Grover, a former executive at American Express, brought a wealth of experience in the fintech and financial services sectors. And then there's Shashwat Nakrani, who graduated from IIT Delhi and brought with him the technical know-how to build a scalable product.
That's right. Ashnir's expertise in finance gave BharatPe a solid foundation for understanding the challenges merchants face when accessing financial products. And Shashwat's technical skills helped translate this vision into a seamless, user-friendly product.
The two had a clear vision from the start. They weren't just building a digital payments platform. Their ultimate goal was to empower India's small merchants by giving them access to financial services that were once only available to larger businesses. They wanted to create a level playing field. Fast forward to 2018, and that vision started to take shape with the launch of BharatPe's flagship product, the BharatPe QR code. This wasn't just another QR code. It was a payment acceptance solution that allowed merchants to accept payments from all UPI-based platforms.
What made this product revolutionary was its interoperability. Merchants didn't need separate QR codes for Paytm, Google Pay, or PhonePe. With one BharatPe QR code, businesses could accept payments from all these platforms.
Exactly. And this simple unified system was a game changer for small businesses that were overwhelmed by the complexity of handling multiple payment platforms. BharatPe made the process easier, faster, and less stressful. As BharatPe gained traction, the founders realized they had created more than just a payment solution. They had laid the groundwork for a complete financial ecosystem. And that's when they expanded into lending services in 2019.
Exactly. The introduction of BharatPe Loan was a pivotal moment. It allowed small businesses to access instant working capital loans, something that was traditionally challenging due to the paperwork and bureaucratic hurdles in banks.
And by 2020, things really took off. BharatPe had processed billions of dollars in transactions. Their merchant base grew rapidly, and they were becoming a key player in India's fintech revolution.
But, like all startups, BharatPe faced its share of challenges. They had to contend with stiff competition from the likes of Paytm, PhonePe, and Google Pay, all of whom had already captured significant market share.
That's true. And let's not forget the regulatory challenges. The fintech space in India is heavily regulated, and BharatPe had to navigate through complex banking regulations, compliance requirements, and cybersecurity concerns.
And on top of that, convincing small merchants to trust a new digital payment system wasn't easy. Many were skeptical about moving away from cash, and it took time and a lot of effort to change that mindset.
Despite these challenges, BharatPe managed to catch the attention of some major investors. In 2019, they raised their Series A funding round from prominent investors like Sequoia Capital, Insight Partners, and BNext.
This funding helped them scale quickly, and by 2021, BharatPe raised another $100 million in a Series C round. This pushed their valuation to to over $2.5 billion, officially making them a unicorn.
Becoming a unicorn in such a competitive space was no small feat. It validated BharatPe's model and signaled to the industry that they were here to stay.
Fast forward to today, and BharatPe is one of India's largest fintech companies. With over 7 million merchants on its platform, it's clear that BharatPe has established itself as a major player in the digital payments landscape.
And they've expanded their product range too. From digital payments, they've grown into lending, digital gold, insurance, and even consumer credit. BharatPe is now a one-stop shop for small businesses, offering a full suite of financial services.
That's right. And their valuation has continued to grow, reaching around $4.5 billion in 2023. BharatPe is showing no signs of slowing down.
So what's behind BharatPe's success? How have they managed to achieve such rapid growth?
Well, BharatPe's success can be attributed to several key factors. First, their laser focus on small businesses. They've consistently addressed the pain points of this segment and created affordable, easy-to-use solutions.
And then there's interoperability. By allowing merchants to accept payments from any UPI platform through a single QR code, BharatPe eliminated the barriers to digital adoption for small merchants.
Another major factor was BharatPe's expansion into financial services. Their entry into lending and other products helped create a complete ecosystem that enabled small businesses to thrive, not just survive.
Strategic partnerships also played a huge role. BharatPe partnered with banks, payment processors, and fintech companies, which helped them scale rapidly and reach more merchants.
BharatPe's journey is far from over. The company is actively exploring new verticals, including AI-powered financial services, blockchain technologies, and international expansion.
With the digital payments market continuing to grow in India and BharatPe's strong position, they are well on their way to becoming a global fintech giant.
BharatPe's journey is a testament to the power of innovation. From a simple idea to empower small businesses to a multi-billion-dollar fintech company, their success is proof that with the right vision and execution, you can disrupt even the most traditional industries.
As we look to the future, BharatPe's vision is clear to be at the forefront of India's digital transformation. They're committed to driving financial inclusion and helping millions of businesses grow. The road ahead may have challenges, but with the progress they've made so far, BharatPe is set for even greater success.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into BharatPe's journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such content.
See you in the next video.